My people, no be small sex scandal. I don't bring on a matter from Apostle Suleman. The matter don't reach me now, my people. This one are Mike David and his wife. In fact, the whole thing just dey complicated. Mike Davis don't come outside, come expose his own side of the story. According to Ram, he say him and Apostle Suleman meet since 2003. You understand? And that time in the school. So as they meet now, they come they do ministry work together. Ngwanu, according to the man, he say now he introducing wife. Like that time they never married, now he introducing wife to this Apostle Suleman. And him and his wife meet when they dey secondary school. When they come out from school, now they plan say okay, may they settle down, marry. Okay, make una come see problem now. The man don't come outside, come expose Apostle Suleman. He say abeg, say him day after in life because he can't expose him. Say the Apostle Suleman go dey call him wife, they send the wife message, say meet me for so hotel. No be smart, you know, and the wife too go. According to this man, say Apostle Suleman and the wife, they you understand? They dengue. I beg, make the notice say na me can't talk matter for my tires because I don't bring the video. So now when no even know what they happen for year. I beg, join me, make we listen to this man.
Good day, everyone. Good afternoon to everyone around the world, wherever it is you are watching this this broadcast. My name is Mike Davids. I was a pastor with Omega Fire Ministries of Apostle Johnson Suleman, Auchi, Edo State. I was in that ministry as a pastor for 16 years because I met Apostle Johnson Suleman in 2003. I have a proof to that effect of the letter, you know, that he sent to me July 3rd, 2003, and I left the ministry 2009 with 19, which was last year, last 2 years, March to be precise, you know, on account of certain things, you know, that happened, which I would want the general public to know about. But the reason why I am mainly doing this video is because my life as I speak is no longer safe. Secondly, so that the general public will be aware that should anything happen to me, Mike Davids, so that the general public will know who exactly to hold responsible. I want the general public to know that should anything happen to me, just in case you no longer hear about me, I want everybody around the world, you know, from wherever you are watching this video from, to know that it was Apostle Johnson Suleman that took my life. Now, what happened was this. I got married to my wife, Pastor Faith Edeko. You can check that up on Facebook and you'll see it. Pastor Faith Edeko. That's the name she presently answers now. After then, we had our first daughter because myself and my wife were married. We got married 2008, December 6th. We had our first daughter 2009, November 24th to be precise. That was when we had our first daughter. And between that November 24th and between that November, you know, towards the end of 2009 into 2010, you know, the idea for Celebration TV and Rema for Living, you know, was being hatched and discussed, and you know, getting it started, you know, became, you know, part of the plan on ground. So my wife, who happened to prior to that time, who was a staff with NTA Repman, you know, Apostle Suleman had to reach out to her that they would need her services, you know, and support to build Omega Celebration TV, and of course, you know, Rema for Living and all of that. So because of that, while we're in Osun State, she will have to, you know, shuttle between Auchi and all of that, and back and forth she was traveling and all of that. One of the days that my wife went to Auchi and came back, you know, this was 6 months after we had our daughter, 6 months going to 7 months. She came back from Auchi to Osun State, and she called me privately. She called me into the room and said that 2 days after that she wanted to talk to me, and that her conscience was killing her over something, you know, she considered too abominable to conceal. So, and I said, what was it? And she said, That why in Auchi that Apostle Johnson Suleman, lodged her in Uyi Grand Hotel. Many of you know Auchi know Uyi Grand Hotel, and that he came there and slept with her. And in the moment he said that, the first thing that came to my mind was about my daughter. And immediately I said, where was Michelle? Because that was the name of my daughter. She said to me that Michelle was on the bed, pushed aside, and I asked her a question. I said, you mean you slept with a man, but my daughter on the bed? Then I had to let it go because there was nobody I could tell, and I could not fight Apostle Johnson Suleman. If I had mentioned it to my family, if I had mentioned it to her family, nobody would believe me. And if I sent her away, the question if people would want to know what happened. And for the fact that she spoke to me of her own free will, I had to let it go. I forgive her. After about two days thereabout, I told her, I've forgiven you. And that was how we kept on. And the amorous relationship between her and Suleman continued.
Now, wow. No be there the matter end oh. Not so many of them now that don't they salivate. Relax. Now the wife don't come outside too. Say her name no go just dey exposed like that. Say she too, she get something to say. And she don't tell us a lie. Say she and this man no get anything. Say he no sleep with any apostle. And this her husband. Now her husband even they maltreat and during the period where they marry, they maltreat and the husband go even call and say, I don't cut this wedding, I don't do this one. Even go this woman family members say they go collect bride price back. No be small thing no. Many wahala, and the woman even tell us herself say she know this Apostle Suleman since later in call. Say na in Godfather, now the man bring her up. In fact, I beg make I not just waste my time here. They talk plenty because join me, make we listen to the woman.
Hello, Pastor Mike. First of all, I bring you greetings from your 3 kids. I bring you greetings from them, Michelle, Great, and Gabriel. I just got a video trending online and I thought it fit to reply you. It is me you have issues with, that I think you should face me. I don't know why you're fighting a man who obviously has done you no wrong and has no hand in whatever issues we both had. I don't know why you're doing this. I don't know who paid you. I don't know what you want to achieve. But the only thing I'm going to say to you, haven't you done enough? Have you not destroyed this heart enough? Haven't you done the worst that any man could ever do? Have you not done? Aren't you tired of the too many things you've done to me? Are you not tired? You left me in Kano. You left me, you called me on a certain day and you told me that, yeah, you're going to leave the marriage. I thought you were bluffing. I called my people and they can testify. My mom is there. My brothers are there. My elder brother called you from UK. You told me you were leaving the marriage. I thought my brother told me you were bluffing. I begged you. I remember I begged you. And then I got to the office. I collapsed according to what my principal said because I opened my eyes in the hospital. And that was where, because you had already threatened to take these kids from me as head in the recording that I will upload if Nigerians need to hear it. I knew, why are you doing this? Why? Haven't you destroyed me enough? I remember asking you in that recording that very day. I told you, I said, even if you borrowed my womb, you have done so much. You have done so much that when I begin to tell Nigerians what you have done to me, the hell you made me pass through in 10 years. Mike, I have hidden this because of the respect I had for you as the father of my kids. I never ever wanted to drag you online because internet don't forget issues and I have children that I value so much. I won't drag you. I am only replying you. I won't drag you because of my children. And you left. I picked the pieces of my life. I picked it even when you told my mom that it is not in your house I will do international ministry. the gospel even before I met you. I remember I couldn't face Apostle John, the same Apostle Johnson Suleman you are dragging right now. I couldn't face him. I could not. Apostle Johnson Suleman sent for you. You refused to show up. You refused to go. You did so much that I am not going to say. I'm not going to say. I still respect you as the father of my kids. Mike, don't push me to the wall. Leave me alone. Are you on cider? Are you high or something? I know you drink, but I never knew that it has gotten to this height. Are you serious? And now listen to yourself. Just listen to yourself. A man who brought me up, my mother knows him as my father. My family knows him. Adopted me like an adopted child. I stayed with him even when I just was not married. I was still single when I knew Apostle Johnson Suleman. And you confirmed it in your video. Listen to yourself, Mike. Apostle Suleman will call me to a hotel and I will go there and pass the night. But you didn't bother because you knew I was a virgin. Can you listen to yourself? You don't deserve anything good. I kept my virginity at that age and you married me a virgin. I stayed with this man that long for years before you married me. And he did not disvirgin me. So the best time that he had to sleep according to you was when I was married. At that age that I got married, I kept my virginity. You don't deserve anything good in your life. Thank God you told Nigerians that you met me a virgin and you married me a virgin. Thank God you told Nigerians. And then, after 6 months, when I was done with my exam, I was still at Oshogbo. Mike, when did I direct myself to Omega Fire Ministries, Auchi? To go and do what I did not do, that I kept a virginity for you at that age. The same things I didn't do as a single. You don't deserve anything good in your life. You do not. I'm doing this because of Michelle. And also because of Apostle John Suleman. You are dragging his name in the mud. I don't know what he has done to you. And please, anybody who will have to listen to you and believe all this you're blabbing, that you were not even straight. Now, listen, just see, I know the mind game you were playing. You're playing a mind game. You knew very well I was going to counter this. And you had to, you're crying. You knew very well I would counter this. And now you have pre-informed Nigerians not to listen to me, that I'm hypnotized. In your words, that your wife is very intelligent, but she's not in her right senses. So every other thing you said is correct. Let them not listen to me. As I'm talking now, they already have an idea that I have been hypnotized. Clap for yourself. Leave Apostle Johnson Suleman alone. Leave him alone. He's my father any day, any time. My people know him. He brought me up. A man who will not sleep with me even when I was single. Leave him alone. I have never slept with him. Leave him alone. Thank you. And please, stop dragging people into your mess.
Una know why they laugh? Because now, I no go know whether these people, they be pastors. I be they no be pastors. Because I know. You should see these people where just come out when I just see now they be pastors. See everybody just they bring out each other dirty rag. They all of them just they hey, wahala we born straight. Una see how the husband even they cry. The man even cry oh. See my people, I just can't ask una one question first. Who they lie? Who know they lie? This one cry, the wife too cry. Many matter just they happen for year. And now the apostle, sir, we don't even know where in they say the apostle even call these two people. You understand? Say, okay, oh, you don't go to say sleep with your wife. Come, make we sit down, settle the matter. They say this man no even show up. I don't know, but me, I don't start to suspect many things for this case. Because first of all, make una listen well. If una watch this video where una go understand, say this man, the married man, himself open mouth, say the woman been they go hotel with this man, say he trust the woman. Because that period the woman been there single, in trust her. Now why the thing no even shake him? And then don't they see this man as in father? You understand? So anytime when the man they send am say, okay, go come to my hotel, so number. Say he no go even feel like that because he don't see him as in father and he no say him wife virgin. But the wife herself now don't come outside tell us say that this man bring him up. Meaning say they don't she don't stay with the man for years. Abi for how long? And that one na before they marry you. Before these two married, she don't stay with this apostle. And the man to say him marry am virgin. I know just wait. I don't know whether or not they see the complication where they inside this matter. Now they say the man they lie. Because if you marry woman wey virgin, maybe say nobody don't, you understand? And the man even to say when this woman born, 6 months after, she go meet with this apostle for hotel, where the pikin be 6 months. My people, I beg. Before I go to say I dey support one person, I no dey support one person. I want make una understand something very clear. Anytime when man get issue with woman, they look for the easiest way to expose that woman, to cause problem. Because now the world where we they live in now, just call one woman a shower or call her, just call one woman and tell her say they sleep with this person, especially if we get to do with pastor. Everybody go believe. So before we go jump inside conclusion, because we need dig deep inside these two people matter. Because now the man don't come and say the woman they sleep, and that one they very easy. Everybody go just believe her once. If true this woman they right, bros, just wait for waiting they come for you. Because now if the man can't they right, my sister. Because I don't understand how person go train you. You say now this man train you. You be your godfather where your mama even they are aware. So how come this your husband can't tell us say now he introduce you to this man? I mean my people now know they understand this case. Now why I bring them? Because me myself I don't they knock my head for war since say I beg who can't they talk through? Where else? Which place can be the best place? If no be una. Now why I bring this case because my people? Because now many things they happen. No, I know they support anybody. We don't hear many issues of pastors. So nobody to even trust again. If it be true. Because matter even reach me say this man say they sleep with plenty of his members. No be me talk and matter reach me. Many people don't they complain. No. They say yes, not true. Say many people, in fact, their members don't they come outside when they talk one by one, but we never catch one saying na the real evidence. But now for yeah, we na go still hear. So Biko, I want to know what you think for this matter. Drop am for the comment section. You understand? If you think say the man they right, the apostle they right, the woman they right, I still want to know. I just know they feel hold this thing by myself. Now why I bring am? Because this thing, we get many important things where we they settle for Nigeria. You understand? My people no be sporting on the matter be this, so but no be everything. We still get another interesting begin where they happen for Nigeria. Hey. This one are UNN students. Where police don't go, in fact, they don't go blast them, harass them, disgrace them. In fact, name the English when you want name. These people, they drive on their own. No? Now, so the police people can't stop them. They think say na normal check-up where they want check. Now, so the police start to harass these people. They say they don't even know. For no reason, no. At least if you stop person, normal level, police will ask you maybe papers or something. No reason, nothing. Just like that. They even shoot the guy. They supposed to shoot that guy. The thing can't touch side mirror. Huh? I beg. No be me bring my attack on this word. Join me, make we hear wait till they get to talk.
Shoot me. Shoot me if you want shoot me, let you very explosive. Mama, you need to go. All of us go enter today. See her. If you go, see her face here. See her. All of us. All of us. That's my fault. That's my fault. Mama, all of us. Mama, we go live on Instagram like this, so. We go live on Instagram like this. All of us. We go live on Instagram like this. All of us you. Woman as soon as I don't Instagram like this. See, all of now they go Instagram like this. I lost my share, no not to cost so.
Yeah? This thing where they happen for Nigeria na plan work. If you like, agree with me. If you like, not agree with me. Na plan work. Because how come, all these government politicians, they hear all these things, but they do like say they know they hear anything. After EndSARS protest, una no notice say things now don the worst. They don't sit down, plan them. They don't give these officers go ahead, say may they do anything where they want to do. Now why? If not, may person tell me why. But my brother, you try yo. You try yo. Una no say as they argue. Imagine they even first shoot your car. The guys still get morale, still they stand, they argue with these people. Even they tell them, shoot me, shoot me. See, no, they make that kind of statement. I beg my brother, in case of next time, no try make this statement because these people now, they know they smile. Oh. When I think say by the time when I say shoot me, they go bring the hand down. It go shock you. They go just shoot you like that. Your life go end. Nothing. Yes, we go just put that for news. Don't finish. See, my people, we need serious protest this second time. Serious protest. The one will happen before na joke. We need serious one. Because now these people, they in fact, now times 10 now. Imagine what they do before now. This one don't come times 10. Security operatives. Now just they do as na like. And I don't even blame them because nobody to even say they want account for. No consequences. Nobody go say, okay, come enter prison. Nobody. And they tell us say they take order from above. Now they take order from above. All these things with these people they do no normal. Because think time, imagine saying that before. Okay, may we look at all those 2015 time, all those period. Imagine that period. If you do something like this, they don't call you to order, arrest you. But why after EndSARS? You know they see him. IGP now, you know go see this one will come out too. You know go see him. The one way no concern you, the one way you don't even need to talk about. Now that one you will go to investigate. You go to investigate pastor and wife matter. You don't forget say this one people they die. More. It be like saying that to change citizenship. Because I don't even know again. Maybe I better make everybody start to think of country where one belong to. Because Nigeria, people they pray, be like say they know they pray. People they protest, be like say they know they protest. Wait till we go, please, government, all these things are from your side. If una they pay these people where they no go get any reason to start they harass people, because all these things what they do now because of money. If una pay them where they no go need see, and for you uniform people, make a give una a serious warning. Nobody they work for una. Una understand? Nobody they work for una. As we they grow up, many of una we go school. Everybody decide what they want to study. Abi, some say na lawyers, some say na doctors, some say na police. So I choose lawyer. You choose police. Why you can't affect my matter? Person no fit drive again because the police exists for Nigeria. Make una take una time. Make una take una time because una cup go soon full. I'm not go talk past this one. Nigerians are not working for you people. Now why una get government where they pay una? So respect una self. If work don't tire una to do, resign. No be anybody business. My people, I beg no be smart, you know. As this one they go on to another matter still they ground. This one are the man himself. IGP Mohammed Adamu. No say their name resemble, you understand? And they do the same thing, they lie. Oh, paro. He don't come outside now. According to Ram, he say, I don't know who go meet him, but he say EndSARS protesters now. Say they beg, say they want join police force. And say the work where police people they render to the citizens, they say no be ordinary work, say na from God. Hi! Now that one even bust my head. From God. I beg, make no be say they talk too much because for now we no know the IGP up till now. When I don't know what they happen, join me, make we watch the video.
So it is constant engagement that we do. The youth that you are talking about, who even participated in EndSARS and the rest of them, many of them want to join the police. Believe me, many of them will come and say,
that would be a happy ending to what is otherwise.
Many of them will come and say, please, we want to join the police. Because police is, the service the police provides is the service of God, you know.
Hey, I beg, this say they don't ban tramadol. The way they see this man like this, the man don't take something. He don't take something. Who want join police? I beg, if you know say they watch me now, where you know say you be part of people, maybe una don't go meet them, so una won't join. I beg signify. Because I need no say I never start a colo. Which police? Nigeria police, I be another police they way I don't know. Because as far as I'm concerned, Nigeria no get police. The thing what they do, that yama work. Now just to the way uniform say we don't outdated. Now the only thing we na sabi. Say na police. I wonder the criteria where they use to appoint all these uniform people. I dey wonder. What do you see before you give these people posts? Because me like this, if I dey listen to them, my people are they irritated. Like shame even they catch me. I better bring this man come outside. I know once that they talk too much, they waste my time. Bros, say no to drugs. Okay? Say no to drugs. I no go talk about this one because I dey see say the kunu where you don't they drink for the past how many months, it don't they affect. See, you know feel reason well again. Say no to drugs. You say the service you are rendering to the people is from God. Which God? Which God? To they bribe, corruption, harass people. All those things where I just mentioned now are from God. You better take your time there. Before God go slap you, before you go receive slap from above. Not only from God. See in bent mouth. EndSARS protesters want to join police force. Oga, nobody want to join police force. I feel bet with my life. Nobody. Even if these people want to join police force, they be citizens, so they get right. They get right, and they should say their intention self good person way sit down there. At least we need fresh blood, fresh people, new people. We go sit down there, change the system, this corrupt system we don't create. If police job now the only job within Nigeria, I beg, we want to remain jobless. If no, you don't understand because the kind things where we they see, you don't say you get some kind things where you go see from people where go they hungry you to be like them. This one, yeah, this smell. I beg, because even if as I dey talk to like this, some of police people, uniform people, they won't join EndSARS protesters. No be more, they won't join. If you call them outside, ask them like privately. No be for public, you understand? Because they no want to lose their life. Ask them, they go tell you. They know why they no fit even talk and now because their life they at stake. Many of them they don't suffer, they don't tire, they just won't give up, but they don't fit. No be why those ones run away, those ones where sheep carry. Nothing say they don't enjoy anything for them. This was say we won't join police, we won't do this one. How much be una salary where person one sit down dead as una sit down? Poverty just wrap all of una body. How much be una salary? 10,000. No wonder una they harass people anyhow because una no be by force. Resign. If not to run away. As long as say your life go there, you understand? It is very important. Come see, you get one thing where they talk. They say if you cannot beat us, join us. You understand? So you are all welcome. Join us. Let us fight for this country because I didn't show some of now. Una mind already made up. My people not be smart on the thing where I bring for una today, and I want to wait till una think concerning this matter because they did very, very hot. Don't forget to drop your comment for the comment section. I go reply you now one by one. Share this video, make everybody know what thing they happen for this house. Don't go far. I love you guys. See you later.